The duffel women bag is manufactured from sturdy nylon cloth, water-resistant floor and linings with good breathability. Simple to clean, this extremely lightweight, quick-dry travel bag. There are numerous items accessible to women's gym bags, each with various qualities, advantages, and costs. To help you make an informed decision, I did a broad examination, read lots of surveys, and gathered a rundown of the best women gym from legitimate brands. After much exploration, I found these items much more supportive for individuals like you. If you have any desire to be aware of the cost and other data, make certain to actually take a look at my description, so immediately we should hop into the video. Number 1. Puma Evercat Women's Candidate Duffel Bag. The Puma Evercat Candidate Gym Bag is a popular women's duffel with a shoulder strap. It's a compact model with all the basics onboard: massive storage, side pockets, top handle, and shoulder strap. But with this Puma gym bag's affordable price, what makes it stand out? If you're on a low budget, you'll find Evercat Candidate appealing. It can also be the most practical option for any light packer out there, maybe even a great overnight bag. To help you determine if this gym bag ticks your boxes, we tested it to serve you our honest verdict. Here we go. Bring it to your next gym visit, use it for your after-school soccer training, or rock it on your commute to work. It's a very versatile gym bag for urban use. It has a roomy main compartment and 2 zipped side pockets, one of which can accommodate your training shoes. This Puma gym bag is a budget-friendly option for women who want an alternative to the neutral bags that otherwise flood the market. Number 2. Adidas Defender 4 Small Duffel Bag. The Adidas Defender IV Small Duffel Bag is an easy-to-carry duffel bag for athletes on the go, weekends away, or trips to the gym. Throw what you need in this small Adidas duffel bag and go. It's made with durable fabric and a water-resistant base, so you can sling it on buses or plop it on soggy fields. Add your team logo on the ends and show the world who you play for or root for. Zipper closure, durable fabric with water-resistant base material, extra roomy main compartment that stands tall for easy packing. 2 zippered end pockets with space for your team's branding, and a zippered outside pocket to stash the little stuff. Adjustable detachable shoulder strap, dual carry handles with padded grip, 11HX20, 5WX11, 75D. Number 3. 𝐂𝐴LEINE Gym Bag for Women. Our duffel baggage are made with 294T twill material. They're mushy, washable, waterproof, wrinkle-free, and wear-resistant. Waterproof exterior retains your garments and gadgets dry. It may be used each indoor and outside. Duffel bag with handles and detachable shoulder strap with adjustable buckle. 𝐂𝐴LEINE stands behind the standard of our merchandise. If for any purpose you aren't glad along with your buy, please contact us. We offer a 30-day refund, 100% satisfaction for risk-free procuring. Separate compartment to retailer your sneakers and footwear, swimsuits, toiletries, and moist towels. Extra storage pockets to prepare your gadgets and fitness center equipment. Use it as a fitness center bag, exercise bag, sports activities bag, dance bag, in a single day bag, stick with it bag, or journey bag. Carry all of your fitness center and journey necessities. Number 4. Under Armour Undeniable 5.0 Duffel. Massive vented pocket for laundry or footwear, and inside slip pockets for group. Powerful, poo-coated and foam-lined backside and aspect panels for added sturdiness in construction. Quantity, 40 liters. Twin water bottle slip pocket. Prime C's deal with. Massive entrance zippered group pocket and mall webbing attachment factors. Adjustable shoulder strap. UA Storm know-how delivers an element battling, extremely water-repellent end. The fitness center bag is manufactured from high-quality waterproof Oxford cloth, geared up with high-grade zippers, tear-resistant, lightweight, sturdy, wear-resistant, and breathable. In wet days, you by no means have to fret about getting the contents within the bag moist. Number 5. Sports Gym Bag Travel Duffel Bag. The duffel bag is manufactured from sturdy nylon cloth, water-resistant floor and linings with good breathability. Simple to clean, this extremely lightweight, quick-dry travel bag. This duffel bag has 1 spacious predominant zipper pocket and 5 separate pockets. The massive predominant zipper compartment can simply maintain 2-3 fits garments. Incorporates 1 zipper slip pocket. This sports activities duffel bag encompasses a separated zipper compartment on the left aspect for footwear, laundry, or soiled gear storage. When it's soiled, simply wipe it, use moist towel, and clear it up. 1 absolutely waterproof moist pocket. 1 zipper slip pocket on the precise and 1 pocket on the again moist separated compartment is specifically designed for storing moist gadgets or soiled garments after the train, similar to socks, underwear, swimwear, towel, or swimming goggles. It comes with detachable grip handles and padded, adjustable, detachable shoulder strap. A separate shoe compartment may also help you carry and maintain your footwear higher in your journey bag, even if it is soiled, and the opposite objects nonetheless will not get stained. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, to check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.